Hi, I'm Chai, founder of FAMC. FAMC was founded on the idea that gifts and merchandise can be truly extraordinary. We go beyond generic notebooks and pens, creating unique items that allow your brand to stand out. As a product solutionist, we partner with you to curate and design unique brand merchandise, ensuring your vision comes to life and your brand stands out. As a manufacturer, we operate a 30,000 square feet print facility with 12 types of print technology, including DTG printing, UV, embroidery, and many more. Every item undergoes strict control to ensure the best product quality. Since 2019, we've served over 300,000 satisfied customers and 10,000 brands. So you know you can count on us to be your all-in-one reliable partner. Contact us now to let us reinvent your gifts and merchandise brand.